Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take a break from these two palettes for the whole month. So this is Maybelline Lemonade Craze. And this is what it looks like. I panned so many shadows in this palette. I'm going to take a break using this palette. Beautiful work I have done for the month of January. And I'm going to take a break with a Soda Pop. Still from Maybelline, and I just hit pan on the shadow and the shadow, so but I've worked on this palette as well all month long, so I'm gonna take a break and use this chocolate Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette for the month of February. Yes, it is a boring palette. This is very neutral, but I got this 2 years ago and I want to try to hit pan on these shades here. So yeah, let's create a look using this palette. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So I'm going in with this shade right here, just a base. I already started with this eye. So it's a really nice base. And that's all I could use for like a light shade, so pretty sure everybody uses this as a base because you can't really see if you create an eye look. I'm gonna dig into the shade real quick for the crease. I'm just going all over in the crease area. Now I'm gonna go in with sparkles right here. And I'm gonna layer that pink that's on the crease with sparkles. It's a light pink color. I think this will look good blended in with that pink. I'm gonna go with Melted right here. Like the shimmery, little bit of shimmer brown. Just going in the outer portion of the eye. I might do a halo look, I'm not sure yet. But for now, Melted is going in the outer portion. Just kind of stamping it on the eye. Now I'll go in with a dark truffle right here. Going it in the inner portion of the eye so I can do a halo eye. This is more shimmery, so I thought this would be good in the inner portion of the eye. Yes, I'm still sick. So if I still sound sick, I am. But I want to get some videos done, and I felt like I wanted to put makeup on as well. So I'm just going in the inner portion. So I'm going to add this glitter primer to help the middle stay. So I'm going to do this with both of the eyes and just blend it in with my finger. Okay, now I'm going into this shadow right here above the pink. And it's like Cafe La La or something like that. And then just putting it on your finger and just stamp it on the lid in the center. I'm going into Cotton Candy right here. I'm going in the inner portion. It's really light pink. I'm going in with this color right here. between the blue and the light sparkles color, the middle right here. Going all over the under eye with this color. And then I'm going back with this cafe color. And just going in the center. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this color and see how that goes. In the very center. And this is the finished look. I know I could have done better, but whatever. I try to blend it, put more and more, and blend it more, and it just didn't want to work out. But it's okay. Oh well, I'm not going nowhere. This is the final look. I hope you enjoy it. The month of February, I'm going to work on this palette. I know it's a very neutral, boring palette for a lot of people, especially me, but I'm gonna work with this palette more since I have it in my collection. And I'm gonna get more use out of this for the whole month. Let's see if I can do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.